Oh. Jared Vivanco. Kendall Tagalog. Jomar Grana. Alexander Culaba. John Michael Claros. JP Supirales. Tom Kamaingking. Rison Kataag. Ryan Grana. Tito Amamangpang. John Sindri Pipito. Eduardo Tagalog. And Sandy Kathleen Tagalog. Rishi Son. Jerry Bates Grana. Shana Dilsi. Nicole Sikwa. Janisel Otita. Gia Gomez. Ajme Laila Pituol. Altia Claros. Rachel Tagalog. Ninya Abata. Chloe Vivanco. And Jandy Amamangpa. Ano pagpaglan mga kaigsuunan? Our beautiful and handsome candles and roses. Take a while for a pause. Kaya na ay painumdum atong music. Kadiyot na tayo. Just this really. Di sa kay wala ni gana ang mga sounds effect natin. Sorry for the inconvenience. Basta inaana galing ang mga program na naman bitay mga technical. And now, ladies and gentlemen, without further ado, let us now welcome Level of Life. Ladies and gentlemen, our debutant, Miss Shane Amamangpa!
You're the getaway car, you're the light inside where I go before. You're the swimming pool.
Alright, thank you so much for naman palakpakan dyan! Pwede na po kayo umubon. Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen. Evidently before tonight, Shane had a happy years in a very happy and classmates and social circles. But there is only one family who is always willing and ready to
Uy, kasi...